When property managers make mistakes, there can be devastating consequences, including legal liabilities, financial losses, property damage, and tenant dissatisfaction, just to name a few. Overall, it's essential for property managers to be aware of the potential consequences of their mistakes and take steps to minimize risks and provide high-quality property management services. Welcome back, everybody. I'm Santiago with Doorloop. Now, before we get started, let me quickly remind you that I am not an attorney, so I cannot give you any legal advice or financial advice. Now, there is one piece of advice I can give you, which is to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. All right? So go ahead. That being said, let's get started. Let's go over the most common mistakes that new property managers need to watch out for. Not being organized. Property management involves handling a lot of details and tasks. New property managers may struggle with keeping track of everything and may forget important deadlines or details. To avoid this, it's important to develop a system for staying organized, such as using a calendar or property management software. Not communicating effectively. Good communication is essential for property managers, as they must communicate with tenants, property owners, contractors, and a lot of other people. New property managers may struggle with communicating effectively, which can lead to misunderstandings, mistakes, and conflicts. That's why it's important to be clear, concise, and professional in all communications. Not understanding the law. Property managers are responsible for complying with federal, state, and local laws regarding property management. New property managers may not be familiar with all the laws and regulations, which can lead to legal issues and liabilities. That's why it's important to stay up to date on the laws and regulations that apply to your property management business. Not screening tenants properly. Tenant screening is a very important part of property management, as it helps ensure that tenants are reliable and responsible. New property managers may not be experienced in screening tenants, which can lead to renting to problematic tenants. That's why it's essential to develop a screening process and follow it consistently. Not maintaining the property. Property managers are responsible for maintaining the property, ensuring that it is clean, safe, and in good condition. New property managers may not be experienced in maintenance and may overlook important repairs or maintenance tasks. That's why it's important to develop a maintenance schedule and follow it consistently. Not balancing the needs of tenants and property owners. Property managers must balance the needs of their tenants and property owners, which can be challenging. New property managers may focus too much on one group and neglect the other, leading to conflicts and dissatisfaction. It's important to communicate effectively with both tenants and property owners and strive to meet everyone's needs as much as possible. By being aware of these common mistakes and taking steps to avoid them, new property managers can be more effective and successful in their roles. When property managers make mistakes, there can be a variety of consequences, including legal liabilities. Property managers are responsible for complying with federal, state, and local laws regarding property management. So, if a property manager fails to comply with these laws, they may face legal liabilities, fines, or penalties. Financial losses. Property managers are responsible for managing the finances of the property, including collecting rent, paying bills, and handling repairs and maintenance. If a property manager makes mistakes in managing finances, it can lead to financial losses for the property owner and tenants. Property damage. Property managers are responsible for maintaining the property and ensuring that it is safe and in good condition. If a property manager fails to properly maintain the property, it can lead to property damage and safety issues for tenants and visitors. Tenant dissatisfaction. Property managers are responsible for ensuring that tenants are satisfied with their living conditions and that their needs are being met. If a property manager makes mistakes, it can lead to tenant dissatisfaction, which can result in a high turnover rate, difficulty finding new tenants, and negative reviews and reputation. Property owner dissatisfaction. Property managers are responsible for managing the property on behalf of the property owner. If a property manager makes mistakes, it can lead to property owner dissatisfaction, which can result in termination of the property management contract and negative reviews and reputation. Overall, it's essential for property managers to be aware of the consequences of their mistakes and take steps to minimize all the risks and ensure that they're providing high-quality services. This includes staying up to date on industry standards, laws, and regulations, communicating effectively with tenants and property owners, and having a strong organizational system in place. If you're a property manager right now, or maybe you're planning to become one, it's important to consider that thanks to technology, there are many tools out there that can make your life much easier and will definitely help you avoid making many mistakes. One of the most important tools that property managers use is a property management software to help them automate rent collections, sign lease agreements electronically, get online rental applications, online screenings, and much more. If you're not sure where to start, make sure to check out Doorloop today so you can see why users all over the world claim that it is by far the most user-friendly and robust property management software in the market. We left a link right there in the description for you. And remember, if you want to get access to a lot more videos, such as the top 10 landlord laws that you need to know, or on how artificial intelligence is changing real estate, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this with your friends, your team, and anyone you know in real estate. And as always, thanks for watching.